Oats is one of the best grains that you can eat for breakfast. But did you know that you can also eat it for dinner as well? Today, I'm going to show you two recipes. One sweet, one savory, one for breakfast, and one for dinner.
The first key ingredient is definitely oats. For me, my favorite will be definitely rolled oats. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. I don't like quick oats due to its soft and mushy texture. I love rolled oats because of its firm and chewy texture. Let's start with the base of the rolled oats. The first you need is 1 part of rolled oats to 2 parts of water for preparation, or based on the cooking instructions in the packet. This is not a sponsored content, however, I really love my oats called Captain Oats. That's because they are firm and quick to cook in just 5 minutes. Here's the suggested oats to water ratio. For the base oats, you just need to add water and oats in, turn the stove to high heat, and wait for the water to fully boil. Once the water is boiled to full, stir the oats. Stir it consistently until your desired texture. My favorite texture is actually firm and chewy. It looks similar to a congee texture. If you really like congee, that will be another video for another time. Once you have your desired texture, all you have to do is pour it into a bowl, and there you go. Base rolled oats. This base oat can be in 2 categories, one sweet and the other savory. For the sweet variety, I would like to add more fruits into it so that it has more natural sweetness. This is 1 tough banana and I try to pull it off, but I'm sure that there's a lot of YouTube videos that is all about how to peel a banana. And I could get a little bit jealous of that video because they can get millions of views while I'm just here with 1 or 2 views. We first take the apple and peel the skin off. This variety is the Italian variety that I really love as it is sweet and juicy. Do you like your apples peel on or peel off? Let me know in the comments below. Next is to slice the apples into multiple pieces. I try to cut it in flat surfaces so that it will not slip off and get yourself injured. I don't throw those apple rings. Instead, I'll just eat it up because I think they are still delicious and not to be wasteful. Don't forget to remove the seeds of the apple as they are not edible. Do you know that apple seeds contain cyanide, which is the most lethal content inside your apple? Once that's done, we slice the apple into cubes or slices, it depends. I like mine both sliced and diced. Once the apple is done, let's go on to the bananas. Now let's peel the banana. Break the bananas for good luck. You don't really need a knife for cutting up bananas, all you need is a fork. Did you know that there are many types of banana? Most common banana variety will be Cavendish, but in Malaysia there's a Berangan, there's Emas, there's also Tando and many other varieties of bananas. Some of us are confused between bananas and plantain. So let's go bananas over bananas. What pairs well with banana is chocolate. If you see this choco tub, you can actually look into the link about my choco tub video. Now we are done with our prepping, now let's decorate our oats. We add our apples, then bananas, then our chocolate, sprinkle in some chia seeds, add some honey, and now we're done with our sweet oats. Now let's move on to our savory oats. Now let's start with marinating the chicken. What you need is cornstarch, a little bit of teriyaki sauce, don't forget the 5 spice, add some pepper and some salt. And shake it up, marination, and oops. Once that's done cleaning, pop it in the fridge. Meanwhile at the frying pan, heat up the oil, crack the eggs, and remove the shell. Once the egg is fully cooked, don't forget to add the salt. After marination for about 2 hours, you may now start grilling the chicken. Grill for at least 10 minutes on each side. Add the lemon for zest. Don't forget to cut all the chicken into multiple slices. The lemon will add zest into the flavor for the chicken. A substitute for that will be vinegar. Once you cut all that up, it's time for the setup. Setting up is nothing fancy. All you need is eggs, chicken, and a side of cheese. Feta cheese to be exact. I got this Mediterranean style feta cheese. And there you go, savory oats.
Do you like sweet or savory? Let me know in the comments below.
Let us not miss out one more thing, B-roll.